BROCHIKAS, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new. For today's video, I have a little beauty and accessory haul. So I went to Walmart today and I hauled a lot, you guys. I spent a good amount of money. I had to get some things I've been eyeing for quite a while. And I decided to split up the video because I feel like if I do it all together, it would be way too long. And also maybe you just want to see makeup and accessories and maybe you just want to see fashion. So definitely just stay alert because sometime after this video, there will be a Walmart summer fashion haul. So if you're interested in that and you're not yet subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Or if you haven't hit the bell yet, also hit the bell so you will be notified when that comes out. All right, so we're gonna get right into this video because it is already 9 o'clock at night and I'm super sweaty and gross and I need to shower, so please excuse my appearance. I've had a little bit of makeup on for quite a while and I was pretty greasy and I just tried to touch it up for this video really quick. So I have this lovely bag of Walmart beauty goodies. So first I want to show you these beautiful nails that I picked up. I really like to make sure that I am stocked up on press-on nails because you guys know I love my press-on nails. I was gonna get more, but I just didn't see a lot that really made me want them. But this one pair, oh my gosh, you guys, it is gorgeous. It is absolutely gorgeous. So Rebecca Minkoff times Impress. So Impress, is it a Kiss brand? Impress Nails is a line from Kiss. I've never used the Impress line before, so hopefully they're good. But I just saw this nail and it is just so gorgeous. It's basically that almond shape that I love. It's a very natural, a little bit translucent pink, and it's kind of like a ballerina pink, and then it's got some gemstones for the accent nails. And oh my gosh, I just thought this was so gorgeous. And I do love that like naturally nail look. I don't really do like crazy colors on my nails anymore, but I just thought this was so gorgeous I couldn't pass it up. So I decided to pick this up and I believe this was $6, around $6, so not too bad. I didn't notice that in the Impress nails you get 30 nails because normally with the Kiss nails I think you get around 24. So I thought that was pretty cool and I'm excited to try these out. I just think they are so absolutely stunning. The next thing I got was some under eye like gel masks. I've really wanted to try them. I think, have I tried them before? I don't know if I've ever tried under eye gel mask before, but I just was like super intrigued and I had it in my mind like maybe I'll see some for not too expensive. This is by the brand Maskology and it was only $2.50 for this pair. It says it's 24 karat pure gold. It's got niacinamide, hydrolyzed collagen. Oh, there's 4 pieces in this. I didn't even read this, girl. I was shopping and I was just putting things into my basket. But this is a 2-use. So there's 2 uses in here. I think that's so awesome for $2.50. It's a skin tightening elasticity, intensive, dark circle, and puffy eyes. So under eye gold gel mask. And this was in the skincare section, which at my Walmart is right next to the nail section. So I'm excited to try these out. I also needed to get a new moisturizer. I wanted to get some SPF in it. I think I was telling you guys about it in a vlog. Well, I decided to go with CeraVe. I know that CeraVe is supposed to be good for people who are acne prone and it's dermatologist tested. It's just one of those brands that are very aware of people who have acne prone skin. So I was like, let's give it a try. This was $14 and this is the CeraVe Ultra Light Moisturizing Lotion with sunscreen. And this is normal to oily skin. So this is for people with normal to oily skin. And I thought that was great because I have oily skin and SPF honestly just makes me more oily. Well, this has 30, so broad spectrum SPF 30. That's much higher than I'm used to, but I'm hoping that it does well with my skin. It does say on the side here that it has hyaluronic acid to help retain skin's natural moisture. We love hyaluronic acid, that keeps you young. And then it is lightweight and oil-free, non-comedogenic, which means it won't clog pores. You want non-comedogenic, especially if you're acne prone or you have large pores. And this is also fragrance free, which you definitely want if you have acne prone skin. So I will definitely let you guys know what I think of this in a vlog. I really hope that it works out with my skin. I feel like there was definitely a beauty guru that uses this every day, and like for the life of me I can't remember who it is, so I apologize for that, but I feel like somebody recommends this. And this says it has a matte finish, which I love because I can probably just use this as not only a moisturizer but like a primer. Like maybe I won't have to prime my skin. So I am very excited to try that, you guys, and I will keep you updated on that. And since we're talking about oily skin, I also decided to pick up this e.l.f. Plus Matte Blotting Mist, and it contains some clay in it. This is the e.l.f. Matte Blotting Mist, and it has clay in it. And apparently you're supposed to spray it when you have oily skin and you don't need to blot your face. That is what it's supposed to do. I feel like Juicy Jazz talked about this, maybe I could be wrong, but I was just very intrigued by this and I really wanted to try it and see if it worked. So I did try it, and I will put the clip here now. But you shake it up and you just spray it on your face. Oh, I took the cap off already. You spray it on your face and it's supposed to blot you instead of blotting paper. Because I was super shiny just now. So we'll see if this works. I still look glossy, but I'll come back and see if it works. So this is like 10 minutes later and I still feel pretty oily. So I don't know, I'll have to keep playing around with that spray. As you can see, I did try it with very oily skin and I didn't really see results. So I'm thinking maybe I'll just use it as my setting spray and maybe it'll just prevent me from getting oily throughout the day. I'm gonna have to play around with it and keep using it and keep trying it, and I'll let you guys know about it. It was $8, so I mean, it's not that bad. I love the Milani Make It Last setting spray, and that's $8. But it says on the back, the claims are, this mattifying touch-up spray helps absorb excess oils for a mattified complexion in seconds. Infused with mattifying kaolin clay, I can't pronounce that. This mist lets you blot away oil in an effortless, touchless way. Shine be gone. And I thought, well, that's good because then I won't be touching my face. If I'm out and about, I could like keep this in my purse and just use it as my blotting spray. So yeah, hopefully I end up liking this. Hopefully it ends up working. First impressions, it didn't seem to work instantly. So again, I'll just have to play around with it. I also picked up a new foundation. It's not a new foundation for me, but it's a new bottle. I've used this before. It is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation, and this is the matte formula, and I got the shade Golden Beige. I haven't had this in a while. I used mine up like last year, and I definitely want to try it again and use it again because I remember that it was really good for being matte, and I felt like I didn't get super oily with it. Right now I have on the Maybelline Matte Fit Me, and I did get super shiny, so I'm just interested to see if this will work better. And I really love how lightweight this foundation was, and it has very good coverage without being too much coverage. And I'm kind of haven't been liking super full coverage lately. I kind of just like that medium coverage, and it's so affordable. It's literally $5.98 at Walmart, so you really can't go wrong. I picked up another one to see if I like it still. And I also got a replacement of my Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and this is the shade 20 Sand. It's light medium, and I just always used to use this back in the day. This was my staple concealer, and I was telling you guys in that video where I showed you my fresh face makeup and my bun that I really like this for natural days to conceal any spots that I don't want to be seen as much, but it is very like liquidy and it's like light medium coverage, and you can just put this on your face. I've used it as foundation, honestly, but even to just hide the little spots, I just feel like this is such a great formula, and it's such an OG makeup, you guys. I just had to get it. I haven't had it in a year, and I was like, you know what? I want to see if I still like this. Like, I'm like reminiscing in makeup, and it's very affordable. It's about $5 at Walmart. And that was all the makeup I got. I just got a few things that I really felt like I needed at this time, and I need dry shampoo. I told you guys that in the video too. I'm like completely out of dry shampoo. And so I decided to go with Dove. I usually go with Dove or Suave, whatever I could find. I didn't see any Suave, which is really confusing. But I saw that Dove has like a new packaging where it says care between washes, and this one is Go Active Dry Shampoo. And I thought that was great because I've been having to wash my hair every other day since I work out so much. I'm always sweating in my hair and it just gets really gross. And so like the more I work out, the more I have to wash my hair. But this one says it absorbs excess sweat and beats unwanted odors. I thought that was really cool because like even though I use dry shampoo, I feel like it still doesn't take that funky smell. You know, like if you were outside for a while, you know, like the smell of outside, it's gross. Well, dry shampoo doesn't get rid of that for me. Or if I was working out, it doesn't get rid of that smell for me. So I end up just putting it into a bun so hopefully nobody could smell it. So again, I will keep you guys updated on this. Hopefully it smells really good. I didn't even spray it in the store, so I really don't even know. Well, I just sprayed a little bit and it actually does smell really good. So hopefully it's almost like a hair perfume. I've been wanting to buy a hair perfume, but they're really hard to come by. It says 24 hours of sweat odor resistance when washing hair is not a part of the plan. So I'm excited to try that. Now I'm gonna show you guys the 3 accessories that I got. I wanted some more earrings. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I had taken my little studs out that I usually wear here because they were getting all gross and green because I wear them in the shower. It's just way too much work to take them out every time I shower, you know? So I just wear them in the shower, and because they're not like real gold or anything, they kind of get that green ugliness to it. So I had to throw them away and I needed some more studs. Unfortunately, they didn't have any gold studs. Usually I go for gold in the summertime, but I just ended up getting the silver, and this is silver, so at least it'll match this little earpiece. And it's $4.88 by the brand Time and True, and you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pairs for $4.88. That is such a good deal, and these last a really long time. I mean, I think I can wear them for at least 9 months before they start getting like gross from the shower, and that's good enough for me, honestly. I like how they have different shapes. So on the top here, there's like tiny ones, bigger ones, the largest, and then on the bottom, you've got some oval ones and some square ones. I also decided to pick up some little hoops because I only have 2 pairs of large hoops, and sometimes I don't want to wear like big old hoops in my hoe mode. Like sometimes I don't want to be in hoe mode, you know what I'm saying? I just want to have like regular little hoopies so I can look like a regular person, like a mom who's not a hoe. And these are $4.88, and you get 3 pairs of hoops. So I liked this one because these little gold hoops are super cute. They look a little bit more expensive. The middle silver ones are not really cute. I feel like they look very cheapy, but this pair and this pair look very good. So I was like, I think it's worth it. I really like the pair on the outside because it has silver and it has gold, and these gold pairs are so pretty. Like I really just bought it for these 2 pairs. The center ones I probably won't be using. But now that I haven't been wearing my like tunnels and my plugs, and I'm trying to let my gauges close up, I've been absolutely obsessed with wearing regular earrings. It's like a whole new adventure for me, and I'm super excited. So since those silver ones didn't look nice, I decided to pick up these guys. They just look a little bit more quality, even though they're super cheap. And these were $2.88, and they're just your regular run-of-the-mill silver little hoops. But I just feel like those ones were way more cute than the other packs, so I decided to get it because they're just so affordable. Why not? I'm really building up my earring collection. I'm gonna have to find a way to store them because I do have this like little jewelry box, but I need something with compartments, you know? So I'm gonna have to like start looking into that. And this is random, but I got hangers. I just needed regular white hangers for my closet. So at Dollar Tree, you get 10 for $1.17. So I picked up 2 of these. And the last thing I got is like so random, and you guys probably don't even care, but this was $3.88, and it's just an accordion folder because I need to start keeping my receipts for my taxes. for my YouTube channel because I really want to start treating it like it's a business, and I have to get on my boss mode, girl boss. And I have to start saving my receipts and my documents and keeping them in here. So this is going to be my YouTube folder. So I picked that up as well. All right, BROCHIKAS, that was it for this beauty / accessories Walmart haul. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and be on the lookout for that summer fashion haul from Walmart. I'm so excited to show you guys the pieces I got. So cute. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.